If your 2007 Honda CR-V is refusing to start, don't call the tow truck just yet. Nearly half of all no-start calls for this generation come down to a simple dead or weak battery. Let's walk through the diagnostic sequence to find the root cause of your starting issue. Start with the basics by verifying the shifter is in park and the battery terminals are tight. Listen closely when you turn the key. A single click often points directly to a failing starter motor. If you see a flashing green key on the dash, your CR-V doesn't recognize the chip in your remote. Minor electrical issues are great DIY projects, but a buried starter might require a professional mechanic. Costs vary wildly, from a $20 relay to nearly $500 for a new starter. For advanced troubleshooting, verify fuse 18 and check for any stored engine error codes. You'll need a basic multimeter and a 10mm wrench to handle most of these checks. Remember that a rusty ground wire can mimic a dead battery, so keep those connections clean. With these steps, you'll have your CR-V back on the road in no time. Good luck with the fix.